Relief camp ta Leiriba voters Shing Electoral roll the Yaohannaba Akhannaba drive ama Chatharagani HAINA Manipur gi Chief Electoral Officer PRADEEP KUMAR PHONGDORAKLI Wafam asing asi Manipur da Leiriba Assembly Constituency humfugi draft photo electoral rolls 2024 Electoral Registration Officer singna phongba amasung mobile publicity ban ani lamthabaga mari lainana lamphel pata leiba Chief Electoral Office ta pangthokpa paugi bifam amada mahakna phongdokhibani Additional CEO N Praveen, Joint CEO Daulat Khan amasung N Ramananda yauna pangthokiba paugi mifam aduda CEO Pradeep Kumar Jhana hai draft photo electoral rolls ase Election Commission of India na fix tawrakiba schedule ki matung ina fongbani ngasi fongliba electoral rolls ase political party ki mihut amadi miyamna electoral registration officers Assistant Electoral Registration Officer amadi booth level officers ki khuthangda achum aran yengba yagani Chahi asigi January mangada phongkiba final electoral rolls aduda gender ratio asi lising amaga sufna humfunipan laikiba do handaki draft electoral rolls 2024 asidedi gender ratio asi lising ama sufna humputarukta laire loinana elector population ratio asi chada yankai taret dasmik ahumanga leramba do haujikte chada yankai manga dasmik sinomari da hantharaglei Draft electoral rolls asida elector gi masing asi punna lakun lising nipan chamri ga kuntrani thoi da leiduna sahi asida form kiba final electoral rolls tagi elector lising ni fumapan chamri ga kuni thoi da hantaraklei electors ki masing hantarakli ba asigi maramdi pre revision ki period manung da polling station sing rationalize taukiba polling station tara tarena atopa mafam chaba amada hongdokhraga madugi makuta anoba polling station sing hangdoktabadagini Housing Maki Starasida, polling station Lissingani, Chamapan Yankai Mangaleri, Pradeep Kumar Jhana Makatana Hai, revision period Manung Asida, Naha Leiriba voters Shing Electoral Rosta, Yaohannaba Akhannaba, College Amasung University Singda, Makal Makakya Githoram Pangthok Lagani, School Amasung College Singda Electoral Literacy Club Sing Hangdok Tuna, Mathau Halagani, Pumna Magasiki Matakta School College Amasung University Singda, Special Camp Sing Pangthok Tuna Electoral Rosta, Ming Chanaba awareness amasung registration sing bagi kudong chaba piragani. Loinana hojek thokliba irang asina maram oiraga relief camp sing da changza fam lautuna leiriba miyoi sing electoral rolls ta yaunabagi damag Akhannaba drive amasu pangthoklagani haina Pradeep Kumar Jhana makatana phongdokhi. Paugi mifam adu loiraba matung vote thadabagi chahi suraba miyoi sing electoral rolls ta ming yaunabagi matangda awareness pinabagi damag mobile publicity ban anisu CEO Pradeep Kumar Jhana lamthaki.
It is quite possible that many of those who are staying in the relief camps are already enrolled. In this period, it is quite possible that there would be people who have just become eligible and they have shifted. So we'll be reaching out to them. So we'll be setting up special initiatives. We'll be going to these relief camps, all the relief camps that are there in the state, so that we make it the process of filling up of the form. We are also aware that there are issues of internet connectivity. So online application will be a matter of concern. So the DOs are being advised to set up help desk in their respective offices. At the same time, we'll be reaching out to the relief camps, and if the physical forms are to be collected, we'll be doing it proactively. If any verification needs to be done, if the person has shifted from one district to another, so the verification to be done by the other district will facilitate that as well.